Hey guys, it's Eric from the Impact team, and in this video tutorial I just want to run you through the process of how to add styles or customize your Impact page template navbars. If give you an example, if you go into the template builder section of Impact, and I'm going to select just a very basic Impact template. This is one where I've activated a widget area after the header. And if you know anything about Impact, basically the way you add navbars is you activate a widget area and then you add a WordPress custom menu widget to that widget area, and that will display your navbar. So in this case, as you can see, the widget area is after the header. So in the actual site, you can see this is what your default navbar is going to look like. These are the default styles that come with Impact and everything like that. But what if you want to customize this navbar to make it look different? What you have to do is just add some custom styles. It's fairly simple. You would just click on Show Template Options, and then you would expand the Template Custom CSS section, and then just go to a new line so you can add some custom styles. And then we're actually going to provide, where this video displays, we're going to provide the basic custom or the basic div structure, styles or whatever, to allow you to style this nav menu. So you can copy and paste that into your custom CSS section. And then from here, you just add your styles to the different areas to style the navbar. So basically, as you can see, like the very first one is widget nav menu. It's a class widget nav menu. Well, that's going to affect the main background area. So let's say we wanted to make that a kind of a medium gray color. So I'll add that, and we'll click Save and refresh. And as you can see, the main background turns to the medium gray color. And let's say then you want to change these background colors to the same medium gray color. So I'm just going to copy that style and go down to the section that affects the link and visited pages. So go ahead and refresh. As you can see, now we've got the backgrounds of those changed. Maybe right now, as you can see, when I hover, there's a white color, and when I don't hover, it's a light gray color. Well, let's make it so it's normally black, and when you or it's normally white, and when you hover, it's black. So we'll go ahead and give this a color of white, and we'll give the hover color black color. And refresh. And as you can see now, the font colors have changed based on the styles I've given. Okay, now I ran through that pretty quickly. Let me take a step back now and explain a few things that'll be helpful. First thing you'll notice is you're not going to see any real-time changes in your preview window in Impact. This just shows you, this blue area just shows you that there's an active widget area here, but your actual navbar is not displaying here, so you will not be able to make your changes here and see them take effect in the preview window. So that's why what I'm doing is making my change, clicking Save, and then refreshing the page on the site so I can see the changes. Now the other thing is you can make all kinds of changes. You can upload images either through FTP or using the media uploader, and then you can add styles, so you can add actual custom background images to the navbar. You can change the dimensions of the navbar. You can add borders. You can do all kinds of stuff. It's really just a matter of understanding the basics of what these little div classes represent in terms of what bits of content they affect, and how to use basic CSS in terms of adding, backgrounds and borders and images and all that kind of stuff. So it's pretty much basic, HTML, CSS 101 type stuff. But the first step is pasting in this custom style stuff that you can then, edit and make it look like whatever you want. Now, once you're done, you can certainly go through, and anything that you didn't add a custom style to, you can certainly just delete. Maybe you don't want to have all this extra stuff. You can just remove those and click Save. As long as there's no custom style added to it, it's not going to affect anything. And also, we will provide you with the default styles which will provide you with all the actual styles that are in there. So you can, if you want, you can paste that in, and then you can totally just edit what is already there instead of having to completely add new styles. So there's different ways of going about it, but that's the basic idea. And the basic thing, it's when it comes down to styling your nav bar, there's so many possibilities that we definitely felt that this way is not only the simplest way, but it's the most powerful because it's really unlimited what you can do. You're only limited by your imagination and basic understanding of CSS. So anyway, I hope this was helpful, and have a great day.